Ever feel like your manicure never quite lives up to salon standards? Or maybe you're tired of spending hours at the nail salon only for the polish to chip in a few days? I get it. That's exactly why today's review is all about a game changer for at-home manicures. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Been There, Dune That. This gel-like formula promises long-lasting color with no UV lamp required. So let's dive in and see if it really lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is designed to give you that coveted salon-quality gel manicure at home. And with a formula that's chip-resistant, you can expect up to 8 days of color and shine, which is definitely a big claim. The shade Been There, Dune That is a gorgeous, warm brown, opaque in finish, and with a shiny, glossy look that doesn't require any UV light to set. Sounds pretty convenient, right? Now let's break down the performance. I've been using this polish for a couple of weeks now, and the first thing that stands out is just how easy it is to apply. The polish glides on smoothly and doesn't streak, which is always a bonus when you're working with darker, more opaque shades. You only need 2 steps, the color and the top coat. I found that even without a UV lamp, the gel-like finish stays put. You don't have to worry about waiting forever for your nails to dry, which is a huge perk when you're on the go. In terms of wear, I was really impressed. After applying, I was able to enjoy up to 7 days of flawless color. And while I didn't make it all the way to 8 days, personal lifestyle, I did see very minimal chipping, which is a win compared to other drugstore brands I've tried. The polish held up well through daily tasks, washing dishes, typing, even some light gardening, and the finish didn't lose its shine over time. That said, it wasn't all perfect. While the formula was relatively easy to work with, I did find that the consistency was slightly thicker than other polishes, which could be a bit tricky if you're not used to gel formulas. It requires a steady hand, but once you get the hang of it, you're good to go. Another downside, it's not quite as durable as a professional salon gel manicure, especially if you're someone who uses their hands a lot. A few chips did appear around day 5 or 6, but again, much less than I expected from a regular polish. Now let's talk about value for money. At around $9 to $12 for a bottle, it's not the cheapest option on the market, but considering the quality and the fact that you don't need a UV lamp, it's a fair price for a DIY gel manicure. Plus, with how long it lasts, you're definitely getting your money's worth if you're the type to do your nails at home regularly. When compared to other at-home gel polishes that still require UV light or come with a higher price tag, Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel gives great results without the added hassle. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other gel-like polishes out there, like the Essie Gel Couture line or OPI's Infinite Shine, but those often require UV light to cure or come with more complicated steps. Sally Hansen's one-step system makes it stand out in terms of convenience and ease of use, even if other brands may offer slightly longer-lasting results in extreme conditions. When it comes to build quality, the bottle design is simple yet functional. The brush is wide enough to cover the nail in a few strokes, which helps speed up the process, especially when you're in a rush. If I had to sum it up, Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Been There, Dune That definitely holds its own in the at-home manicure world. It provides salon-like results without the need for a UV lamp and offers a chip-resistant, long-lasting finish. However, if you have extremely active hands or are expecting perfect, unbreakable wear, you may need to touch up a little sooner than the brand suggests. So, is this the right polish for you? If you love doing your nails at home and want a gel-like finish with minimal effort, this is definitely worth trying. It's especially perfect for anyone who wants a quick, glossy mani that holds up for a solid week. If you're after something that can handle a little more wear and tear, you might want to look into professional gel options, but for most, this is an excellent go-to. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Is this your new go-to polish, or are you still on the hunt for the perfect gel? Let's chat in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.